In today's lesson, we'll be covering adding contacts through KW Command. To get started, visit agent.kw.com. Once you access the Keller Cloud, use your KW username and password and sign in. On the Command home page, you can choose Contacts icon from the left-hand navigation or in the main menu. Click on Contacts. On the top right-hand corner, you'll see the Add Contact icon. Start to complete the fields, such as the full name. This is how you know the person. Then, of course, you can add the legal name, and this is the information that'll go on any documents. Complete the email field. Then you can add additional emails if necessary. Complete the primary phone field. Then add any additional available phone numbers. We now have the option of choosing a preferred method of contact via email, phone, text, or do not contact. In this example, we're going to choose text. Next, we need to mark whether they have been captured. That would be like a brand new lead, someone we have not contacted yet. Then we have the option to choose connected, and that means that we have connected with them. We've had a dialogue about real estate. And then qualified means that we're actively in an agreement with them. We're actively working with this potential contact. In this example, we're going to choose that we have connected with this contact. Next, you have the option of choosing the available lead sources. Next are system tags, and these are tags that have already been developed by the system. You can choose from these tags and then do searches based on the tags, or you could do a custom tag. In this example, we have met this contact at boot camp, so we're going to create the boot camp tag. The contact is also a new buyer and in my inner sphere, and we once created this tag, so it is now available for us to choose from. We're going to write a description about the contact, maybe how we met, the discussions that we've had about real estate, and some additional things that might help us in conversations later. Now add any and all addresses you have available for the contact. For additional marketing opportunities, add the date of birth of the contact, and that will include the month, the day, and the year that they were born. You can now tie this contact with any existing contacts by using relationship. In this example, we're going to choose the spouse of the contact, and when we start typing in the name, the system will find that current contact where we can simply click on them and then add additional relationships. The social field will allow you to add any social media profile to the contact record. There's an extensive list of social media channels available. If the channel you're looking for is not available, you will use link and add the link to that social media channel. Add the contact's company name. If the name's never been added, you can then create it. Next, add the job title. The system does a very good job of finding company addresses when you're adding them. And the last step when adding a contact, click Create. Anytime you're looking for the contact in Command, simply start typing in the contact's record, then click on the contact. You now have access to all of the information that you have just added. Now it's your turn. Add yourself as a contact by following all of these steps. If you enjoyed this educational video on KW technology and would like more, follow me on KW Connect.